What is he doing?
He is playing video games.
What is she doing?
She is dancing.
What is he doing?
He is playing basketball.
What is she doing?
She is singing a song.
What is he doing?
He is exercising.
What is she doing?
She is painting a picture.
What is he doing?
He is listening to music.
What is she doing?
She is crying.
What is he doing?
He is drinking coffee.
What is he doing?
He is studying English.
What is she doing?
She is cooking.
What is he doing?
He is climbing a ladder. Review. He is playing video games. She is dancing. He is playing basketball. She is singing a song. He is exercising. She is painting a picture. He is listening to music. She is crying. He is drinking coffee. He is studying English. She is cooking. He is climbing a ladder.